You think the problem is willpower. It's not. It's your environment. Think about a plant. The same seed can struggle or thrive based on soil and sunlight. Same seed, different environment. And in that way, we're like plants. But here's the difference. Plants can't move. You can. You have a prefrontal cortex. You have arms and legs, which means you're not stuck in the soil. But instead of changing our soil, we often just yell at ourselves. Try harder, be disciplined, have more motivation. But growth doesn't work that way. Change the soil, growth gets easier. Design the environment. Then the environment shapes you back. It's a cycle you get to be a part of. Better soil makes better habits. Not force, not shame.